So hey guys, welcome to Binary Wizard. Be sure to subscribe. Yeah, subscribe begging is over. Yeah, which was very short. Okay. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a ghost plane, which is this. So first of all, we need two planes around like this. So go to your first plane and click on pilot. And as you can see, it's on pilot, not autopilot. Okay. And if I place the taxi and full flaps, no, three flaps. Okay, press on full throttle and switch to person, jumped out of the plane and go to this plane quickly. That plane is leaving currently. I should get quick and get into the flight panel and apply full throttle to this, and that will magically take off. Okay, yeah, ramp automatically closed. That is takeoffing. Yeah, bada bing bada boom, that's on air, and it will magically land back to the airport even though there is no pilot in that, and autopilot is turned off. Let's follow. Oh, yeah, now I get the idea where the plane is heading. I did butterized right now.
50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
Yeah, it's stopped. So it will do nothing. I'm like, this is 100% close to autopilot. Okay, this is 100% close to autopilot. This is the annoying thing of the turboprop price meter. It just push you underground. Wow, that lever turned magically down. Yeah. So the here also turned down. As we can see, it's not in autopilot. I mean, like if it is autopilot, the UI wouldn't look like this. So we just essentially, and by the way, this thing landed without one aileron. Yes, aileron. Yeah, this AI is really good. And so that's how you create a ghost plane. You can put like ghost plane in that and scare people. In fact, it's just a freaking bug. Like when you don't pilot and put it on 100% charge, it just become autopilot activate. I think that's it. So thank you guys for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to Binary Wizard and like maybe, and comment if you think this is good. What happened to the signal light? Okay, anyways.